Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple is gearing up for one of its biggest desktop upgrades yet, the Mac Studio M5 Ultra 2026. With rumors pointing to blazing fast M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips, built on TSMC's next-generation 3nm process. This compact powerhouse could deliver up to 40% more performance than today's models. Add in Thunderbolt 5 support, advanced cooling, expanded memory, and AI-driven performance boosts, and the next Mac Studio could be a true game-changer for creators, professionals, and developers. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the latest leaks and rumors to the expected specs, top 10 features, release date, and price point. 1. Introduction: Why Mac Studio M5 matters. The Mac Studio has become one of Apple's most important professional desktops since its debut in 2022. Designed as a compact alternative to the Mac Pro, it combines high-end performance with a small form factor. Creators, video editors, 3D artists, and developers have adopted it as their go-to workstation. Now, all eyes are on the Mac Studio M5, expected in 2026. Why? Because it will showcase Apple's next-generation M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips, which could represent the biggest leap in Apple's silicon history. With more cores, faster graphics, advanced cooling, and Thunderbolt 5 support, this update could truly redefine what a compact desktop can do. Point 2. Leaks and rumors. According to multiple reports and industry leaks, Apple plans to introduce the M5 family between late 2025 and mid-2026. The Mac Studio will likely ship with M5 Max and M5 Ultra configurations. These chips will be manufactured on TSMC's N3P, enhanced 3nm process, offering better efficiency and performance per watt than the M4 series. For the first time, Apple may separate CPU and GPU modules in packaging, improving flexibility and performance scaling. Expect AI acceleration to play a bigger role, with dedicated neural processing enhancements for machine learning, rendering, and creative tasks. Thermal improvements are rumored, suggesting Apple is refining airflow and chip stacking to prevent throttling. Expected specs: M5 Max, base studio model, CPU 18 cores, 14 performance plus 4 efficiency. GPU 42 cores, RAM up to 128 GB, unified memory performance 25% faster than M4 Max. M5 Ultra, top-tier studio, CPU 36 cores, 28 performance plus 8 efficiency. GPU 84 cores, RAM up to 256 GB, unified memory performance 40% faster than M3 Ultra, 50% faster than M2 Ultra. Additional technical highlights: fabrication. 3nm N3P process for efficiency packaging, SoIC 3D stacking, and 2.5D packaging for better thermals. I/O Thunderbolt 5, up to 120 gigabits per second bandwidth. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. Expected storage: likely NVMe SSDs up to 8 TB. 10 key features to expect in Mac Studio M5. 1. M5 Max and M5 Ultra performance leap. 25. 40% gains over M4/M3 generation. 2. TSMC 3nm efficiency, lower power draw, better thermal control. 3. Thunderbolt 5 ports up to 120 gigabits per second, perfect for 8K video workflows. 4. Expanded memory options up to 256 GB, unified RAM in Ultra version. 5. AI-boosted performance, next-gen neural engine for creative apps. Point 6. Improved cooling system, sustained heavy loads. 7. Compact, unchanged design, familiar studio form factor. Point 8. Optimized GPU cores, 42 core in Max, 84 core in Ultra, ideal for 3D and video. 9. Future-ready connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, advanced PCIe lanes. Point 10. Stable Apple ecosystem integration, seamless handoff between Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Vision Pro. Release date predictions: Apple is expected to introduce the M5 chip family in late 2025, likely in MacBook Pros first. The Mac Studio M5 could follow in mid-2026, most likely at WWDC 2026. If supply chain delays occur, a launch could slip to early 2027, but analysts suggest Apple wants a 2026 refresh to stay ahead of Intel and AMD desktops. Price expectations: pricing should remain close to the current lineup Mac Studio M5 Max, starting around $1,999, Mac Studio M5 Ultra, starting around $3,999. Configurations: with maximum RAM and SSD storage could cross $8,000, $10,000, especially for professionals requiring extreme setups. Why it could be a game changer: the Mac Studio M5 Ultra 2026 could redefine Apple's desktop lineup by offering workstation-class power in a compact body, competing with high-end Windows workstations while consuming less energy, providing future-proof I/O, Thunderbolt 5, for creators working with 8K, 16K video, cementing Apple's lead in custom silicon, ahead of Intel and AMD. The Mac Studio M5 Ultra is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful compact desktop ever, a machine that could rival high-end Windows workstations while fitting perfectly into Apple's ecosystem. With a potential launch at WWDC 2026, pricing expected to start at $1,999 for M5 Max and $3,999 for M5 Ultra, and features that make it future-ready. This could be the upgrade professionals have been waiting for. So, what do you think? Will the Mac Studio M5 Ultra be the ultimate desktop for 2026? Or will you hold onto your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest Apple news and leaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.